Hi there, this is my log, and I got some packages in the post today. So we will have a little look to see what's in them. But first, I just want to say I'm overdue for a couple of giveaways. Because of some financial constraints, I wasn't able to do a 200 subscriber giveaway when I hit the 200 subscriber mark, and I'm just over the 300 subscribers, so I need to do a 300 subscriber giveaway as well. So for the 200 subscriber giveaway, I haven't quite finalised things. A little bit foggy at the moment. I've just found out that my blood test for Lyme's disease came back positive, so yeah, I'll be taking antibiotics for the next 3 weeks. But yeah, so I was going to give away some locks for my 200 subscriber giveaway. Not sure what I'm going to ask. Probably just a comments in the video, not this video. I'm taking a week off work in a week or two, in about a fortnight's time. So I will put up the giveaway video then. This is just me saying I haven't forgotten. I appreciate yous all, and yeah, I'll get round to it very shortly. So these will be some of the prizes, though. The iFam E50. It's very similar to, in fact, it's the same as the one I picked before on this channel, and it is even keyed alike. So you will experience the complete pain in the butt that this lock is to pick. We have little Smith & Lock 40mm, quite a fun little lock, and we have this chunky Yale, what is it, a Y12755 laminated padlock. Now the challenge with this one is it's got quite a small paracentric keyway, and of course the now ubiquitous Brady lockout tagout lock. And this is it looks like a cheap generic unbranded lock dial, but it was a lock that was sold by a British hardware superstore called B&Q, and I picked one of these. I had one for myself, and it turned out to be a little bit more challenging than I expected. So yeah, you can have that one. You can look back in my videos if you want a hint as to what you're going to find in there. So that will be the prize for the 200 giveaway. Details to follow in a week or two. And for the 300 giveaway, I have we have a little set of lockpicks. Now I debated about whether to give away lockpicks as a prize because of, lockpicking's not legal everywhere. But yeah, I mean, I decided I will do it. It's the Lock tools. It's up to yourself. If you enter the 300 subscriber giveaway, details to follow, and you win this, and you live in a country where lockpicking is illegal, and they get confiscated and destroyed at customs, then tough luck. So here we go, a sticker, and it is the new Lock tools, double-ended EDC. So, you know, for a serious set of bench tools, that's not what these are, really. Um, there's a few too many rakes for an everyday bench set of picks, and you've even got an extractor, key extractor, and a little probe tool, double-ended hooks. You've got an offset half diamond and a gem style profile on that one, and your Z tensioners, and I've thrown in a little southward tapered. These are really quite handy little tension tools, and I quite often use these for the Mini Lock Monday series that I do, because of that little taper. It's quite handy. Yeah. So I'll throw in one of them, and of course you get the double-ended Lock Tools Z pry bars. So that was the giveaway for the 300 subscriber. And like I say, I will upload more details about how to win these. Yeah, in a week or two. Like I say, I'm going to take a week off work, and yeah, I'll put some thought into it at a later date. I just wanted to make sure that, you know, you all know I haven't completely forgotten. So what have we here? This is some new arrivals. And I had a knife a second ago. What did I do with it? There we are. We will open up this and see what goodies lie within. And let's try not to make a mess. One sealed package. And oh, slightly heavier, slightly bigger. Second sealed package. And I think, yes, that's all that's in there. I wasn't expecting more, but hey, we all like surprises, right? Nearly 50, and I'm still disappointed when I open a card that doesn't contain money. What have we got? We have got an American lock, and I have been after one of these for quite some time. Okay, that's in there good. An American Series 700 with the restricted keyway. Can't remember, is it it says R7 on the key. Let's do a date check. So X-ray, March, November 1, and India 6. So March 2016. And some nice sawtooth bitting there. So yeah, it's an auction, a couple of auctions I won recently on eBay. 2 locks from the same seller. And we have another American lock. And a Series 10 with another restricted keyway, and Yeah, fairly half decent bidding. 82343. Yeah. And I'm not sure about these. Is it the last letter is? I can't remember. Is it the first or the last letter that designates the quality assurance money? So we'll put that aside. And here we go. This one I was very excited about. I have picked this particular type of padlock on my channel previously, and never expected I would actually get a chance to own one, or even pick one again. But we have the Mammoth Master Lock number 19. One of my very own. So, not bad bitting. Descending towards deep, and then a wee rise to a high lift at the far end. And a big chunk of a padlock. And I mean, it's unused. It still has the security key duplication code on the bottom of the padlock. Doesn't look like it's ever been picked. I'm seeing some of the driver pins. If we can have a look in there. That driver pin at the front still has a bit of the coloured anodizing on it. So there we go. Massive, 1.2 kilogram. One of the biggest laminated padlocks I've ever encountered. And when I saw it going, I thought it was going to go for, close on a three figure sum. They're quite rare, especially over this side of the Atlantic. And certainly, if it had its original box, it would have probably have gone for three figures. But I put a sneaky, cheeky little last second bid while I was at work on, and yeah, picked it up for what I would think is a bargain. Not too much anyway. Let's put it that way. And yeah, so there we go. Lovely 3 little locks, new to my collection. It's been quite a long video. I will I'll try and do a wee pick. So I had it right the first time. Like I say, a little bit foggy. Getting a few aches and pains because of this blooming Lyme's. It's been about 6 weeks. It's early stages though, so good course of antibiotics should and will see me back right again. Oversight 1, 5, clicks on 3, clicks on 2, I think I'm trying to cram too much in one video here. Oh, there we go. Took a while to feel that one out. First pick. There we go. Well happy with these additions, especially this one. Just what a beast! And yeah, I'm impressed at the condition. Yeah, well happy. And the bitting. So there we go. I'll end that there. We're 17, almost 18 minutes in. So yeah, keep an eye out. In the next couple of weeks, I'll post a video, a giveaway video detailing the requirements to either win the locks or the Law Lock Tools EDC. And yeah, so thanks everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the content. And yeah, have a good one, everybody. Cheers.